so this is me talking to the SBA representative about doing a reconsideration for your application if it has gotten denied for credit.
And well, actually, the steps for you to do a reconsideration should be written in that letter.
If you, oh, I see it. It's ABC, it looked like. Yeah.
Let's see.
I see mail your request, fax your request, or email your request.
And usually they'll do an email because that's the fastest way for them to get it, for you to get it signed.
Okay, so email.
Yeah, it does instructions. See, it says email your request to pdcrecons@sba.gov.
Okay, so email is the fastest way to get a reconsideration.
The fastest way. And it says in writing, you have 6 months. Now, they're going to also need some documents from you. Let me let you know that because when you do the reconsideration, you can provide them with these documents as well. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. If it's because of unsatisfactory credit history, if you would like for them to reconsider your application, they would need a copy of your most recently filed federal tax return.
Okay.
As well as a signed IRS form, FORM, and that form number is 4506-T.
Okay.
Okay, and that has to be signed. And when you go to download that form on the IRS website, you can use the March 2019 version is the one that they are looking for.
March 2019. Okay, so a full copy of my federal tax return and a signed form 4506.
T form.
T form. Okay, I got it. March 2019. Okay. So those.
And that's what they would need. I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, so just those two things, nothing about my credit?
No, because what happens when you send that information in, what a loan officer is going to do, processing loan officer must review the totality of your credit, not the credit score, to determine if the applicant has satisfactory credit and repayment ability. Will be based on the information contained in the tax return transcripts.
Oh, okay.
In addition to any other documents provided.
Okay, I understand.
Okay?
Okay, all right, so that's for my reconsideration. Okay, so this part of the conversation is me asking her about the grant money. How do you apply for the grant? So she's just going through what she know about the eligibility for the grant. Because I work for Lyft.
Okay, so this one also, I'm looking at the status of this one. This one was declined as well.
Oh, that one was declined. Well, I wonder which one did they give me a loan on. Okay, so the one for Lyft.
Okay, did you say you received $1,000?
Yeah, for the grant money. They declined me for the loan, but they approved me for the $1,000 grant.
So that $1,000 that you received wasn't a loan, that was the grant, the advance that you received for $1,000.
Okay, but it was on this application. I was wondering, can you see that?
It was on this particular application, yes.
Okay, so my Lyft income is where I received the grant money at. Okay, so for that one, it was also declined, I guess, because of credit. I don't know if you can see that. So can I do a
You can do a reconsideration for this one as well. Use the same information that I gave you for the other one.
Okay, so reconsideration also for this one for the loan. Okay. And then I have another quick question about the grant. So all the funds for the grant is gone. So is that it? Because I know they ran out of funds and then that was it. Like nobody else got any grant money. Now that they got this second stream of money, can I reapply for a grant and get more money, or is that it?
Okay, that's a good question. Now, right now, Congress did pass another COVID-19 relief package that included funds for a targeted economic injury disaster loan advance program if the applicant meets certain criteria. So right now, they have not gave out but I think if you receive the $1,000, if you meets the criteria, there's a way that you can try to apply for the difference. But right now, we don't have that information. So one thing, right now, I still do not recommend that you go in there and put in another application because you have so many applications out there right now, and it's only going to show up as a duplicate again.
Okay.
So what I recommend you do is to keep checking the website, the SBA.gov website, under the coronavirus, and check for additional information of what you need to do to submit in for funds for that advance. Make sure it's for the advance, not for the loan.
Okay, all right. So I just pretty much gotta wait till they let us know if we can redo the application for the grant, and it's targeted. When you say targeted, are you saying when you say targeted? Are you saying because last time it wasn't targeted, it was just based on employees. So
right. So this is different now. That's why they call it targeted, which means that you have to meet certain criteria to be able to qualify for this grant. And like I said, if you want to, I would recommend that you go to the website and see if there's any updated information on, the stipulations for targeted. It's only eligible for certain groups. They're targeting out certain individuals that qualify that could meet these criteria.
Oh, okay. So I got to go in there and see if I qualify before I even try to apply for the grant again, basically.
Yes. I would do that as well.
Okay. All right. So I got that one down. I'm sorry. I know it's a lot, but it just is what it is. I just have a lot of different businesses. Okay. So that was my Lyft income. I did have 2 other applications that I was looking for. I don't know what happened to these 2 applications. I don't know. They keep declining all of them. And it's like someone told me that I should be able to apply.
Okay. Now,
and I'm trying to figure out why are all my applications getting denied. I understand the credit, but they keep saying duplicates when they're different businesses. Okay, so this part of the conversation is me asking her, should I resubmit all my applications again with EIN numbers? And this is what she suggested that I do. So can you tell me?
Well, because if they're duplicates, that means that too, if you put, it doesn't mean that you put it in twice, but if you have 2 different business with the similar information or like the same information in it, then it will show up as a duplicate as well.
Oh, okay. So meaning like if an address matches or something?
Or like if you have like Beauty Passion, if you have 2 beauty passions, one in this area and one in that area, things like that will show up as a duplicate.
Okay.
Or similar names but different addresses, it'll show up as duplicates.
Okay, so I'm trying to figure out. I have 5 different businesses. All of them are different. So can I was instructed that I can apply for each business. So are you saying that if it's the same address, I can't apply?
Yeah, you can apply for each business. You can apply for each business long as it's not the same business. But looks like all of these that we went over was different business, and they were declined not because of duplicates. They were declined for other reasons. They don't recommend for you. That's why they're showing up as duplicate and for other reasons. So it looks like there's 5 or 6 applications out here in your name. We do not recommend that you go in here and resubmit more applications because they're only going to be declined again. And they're only going to show up as duplicates again.
Oh.
You're going to mess your process. You're going to mess things up even more so for yourself and for your businesses.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, so just don't submit no
what I recommend what you do is just go through the reconsideration process for your business.
Okay. Just get a reconsideration.
Not submit in new applications.
Okay.
Okay?
All righty. Thanks so much for your help.
Okay, well, thank you, and I wish you the best in your disaster recovery efforts.
Okay, you have a great day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so if you have any questions about anything that was heard in the phone conversation between me and the representative from SBA, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer any questions.